So here we have a wheel and axle, which we're going to blow, which will push the paperclip into the dominoes, which are levers, which will knock over the softball, which pulls the pulley, which will pull up a domino, which will knock over these dominoes, which will hit this marble, roll down the ramp, and hit this marble to knock over the lever that will turn on the Chromebook.
This is called the footinator, right here. This is our first lever, and then here is, it's gonna go down the slope, and it's gonna go through this ramp sort of thing, and then go into this cup, which has a lever, hit the pulley, knocks down the Jenga, hit the skateboard, and then hits the phone playing music.
Works.
Yeah. Go.
Why is that? Very careful grabbing that ball. Why is that?
1, go.
Why isn't that wait.
Go.
All the right moves, all the right places.
No! Gosh dang it!
Okay, so we're gonna lift up the cup. The wood is gonna hit the dominoes. The dominoes hits the ball down the ramp onto the lever and into the cup, which is attached to a pulley, which pulls up the ball and hits the cup down, blowing out the candle. Okay, so this is the gambler. Yes, that's his name. And here's our first lever, which is dominoes, and then there's our second lever, which is the first class lever, and it's gonna, the dominoes are gonna fall and then hit that, and then the weight's gonna fall off. And there's our pulley, it's a fixed pulley, and there's our other lever, which is another first class, and there's our ramp. So what's gonna happen is the domino's gonna fall, yep, hit the ramp, weight's gonna fall off, and then it's going to pull the tennis ball up the ramp, then it's going to hit the lever, and then the dice are going to fall out and they're going to roll. So so the goal is for it to just, you know, gamble, roll dice, gamble the dice, yep. Okay.
The balls go down the maze, the lever, they go down the ramp into the cup, a first class pulley. The cup will pull the string and it'll move the first class lever to knock down the Jenga blocks, the lever, and then the car will go down and pop the balloon.
And that looks pretty even. Okay, so it's going to be 6.
So this is our project, and it's called the Mousetrap, and that is my partner, my dad. So we start out with having our wheel and axle, and we'll pull it back, and it goes on its own, goes up our ramp, and eventually hits our levers, and one lever will go down, the other will, and then that one will go down.
And it's gonna hit.
It will hit this skateboard that has a needle on it, and when the skateboard goes up, it'll hit our water balloon with water in it, making it pop, and when it pops, it'll pull down. These are our pulleys. And so when it's down here and it pops, it'll release pressure and weight, and it will pull up, and that will pull down our mouse trap.
And you'll have a mouse in no time.
And it pulls the pulley, and the pulley pulls up the lever, which hits the dominoes, and the dominoes go up the ramp, making it a ramp that works. And there's a ball, and the ball rolls down the ramp, hits the dominoes go back up, and then the money falls into the jar, and the tip goes into the tip jar. Alrighty, let's see if this will work. Ready, set, go. Just gosh dang. This isn't working. Oh my gosh. So much. And we're done.
So here's the dominoes levers, and they go up this inclined plane, pushes the wheel, hits these other levers, which go up another inclined plane, which hits more levers and hits another inclined plane, and this happens.
And then the ball lands in the cup, pulls the cup down, and the cup pulls this piece of wood up, and the cart goes and pulls a tissue out of the tissue box.
Yeah. Get it.
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Okay, so how this machine works is you put the golf ball down the ramp, and it goes and it hits the dominoes. The dominoes go. This is a second class lever. It hits the weight, and it falls into the cup. And the cup, it pulls up this domino here, which is on the ramp. And then it pulls this out of the way of the car. And the car falls down, hits the weight. The weight falls, hits the book, which presses down this and whole bunches this paper. And that's.
Boom!
That was pretty good.
So this is Rube Goldberg called Getting Ready for Class. So we got this marble
On a lever.
on a lever, first class lever. The water's going to shoot down here. The marble right here is going to launch all the way over here, knock the dominoes out. The first train of dominoes. Here's a ramp right here. This domino is going to fall off, activating the pulley, pulling the paper up and landing right here. So you have your paper ready for class. And also, you got this other train of dominoes going right here. So you have when it falls down, you have your pencil ready for class.
You ready?
It's gonna work this time.
2, 1. 2, 1.
Please, 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 please,
This is our Rube Goldberg. So it starts with this weight rolling over this fulcrum down into the cup, which then pulls through here and that scissor thing and pulls that brick up the ramp, which from there pulls through there and here down to this lever right here, which turns on the light. And let's give it a try.
Wait, it doesn't really roll. Stop it.
No, we can't stop it yet. Let's just keep going.
Put the weight in.
Make sure it falls.
Yay!
Okay then.
And then there it goes.
It worked. It's about to fall over. Stop.
Hey!
Okay, so we start out rolling the ball right here, goes down the ramp, goes up the incline ramp, into the cup. The cup is attached to a pulley system. It weighs down the cup, hits those dominoes, which are levers, and then the levers hit a marble. The marble rolls down a ramp, where the marble hits Lego piece, and then pours the popcorn into the bowl. Go.
Go.
This is our Rube Goldberg machine. This right here is our first mechanism, which goes down this platform and hits our class 3 lever, which swings and hits this tape roll, which is another mechanism that rolls down our ramp that we designed. And then it hits our class 2 levers, our dominoes, which move all the way down to hit another mechanism, a pencil, which is holding up our class 1 lever. This class 1 lever then comes over and opens up, and it makes our pulley lower the tea bag into the teacup, making a cup of tea. And let's go.
Good job. Show off.
Go.
Okay, so this is our Rube Goldberg machine. We start with the first class lever. We go to a ramp. Dominoes are our third class lever. And then all the way over here is the first class lever. And then at the bottom is a needle, which is a wedge. Should I do it now? Yes. Wait, you hold it. Ready?
Yeah. Ow. 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 Ow.
Are you recording?
The dominoes act as a lever, which will hit the marble. It'll go down the ramp, hit the light bulb, which acts as a wheel and axle, hit the cups, as connected by a string to the ball. The ball will fall onto the extension cord. The extension cord will power the fan. The fan will blow the bouncy ball off the cups onto the wheel, which also counts as a motor. Hit the stop ball, which is connected by a string to the light, which will turn it off.
Alright, so this car is going to go down that ramp, hit all of these dominoes. Dominoes is going to hit this car. This car is going to go down this ramp while pulling up that car, up the incline plane, which is attached to a pulley. When the car gets down the ramp, it's going to hit these set of dominoes, which is going to push a cart forward that is going to burn a string. That will then release this hammer to turn on the power switch and charge our phones.
Alright, so this is our Rube Goldberg machine. Starts off with our flamingo, which is a class 1 lever. And then the flamingo will hit the dominoes. The dominoes are class 3 levers. The dominoes will hit the marble into this ramp, which doesn't count. It will then hit this nail right here, out from underneath the car, and the car will have a wheel and axle. It will knock up the cups. The cup is attached to a fixed pulley, and that is attached to a class 2 lever. The lever will pull up and then knock the dominoes over. Again, the dominoes are class 3. And then it'll knock over our ramp. The car will hit this cup, and it's attached to a tissue right here. And that somewhat works as a fixed pulley. So hopefully it works. Okay, hopefully this works.
There's our tissue.